And tomorrow night at 10:45, the story of the American folk group The Weavers, whose songs of protest and belief in the 50s pushed folk singing into the mainstream and inspired a following still faithful today. Well, I did my best to get the Channel 4 mixed choir and comb ensemble in here to serenade you with a carol tonight. But they say that they've lost their singing voices because of too much Irish soda bread and turkey. But they can speak. So from him...
Good night.
And from him...
Good night.
And from her...
Good night.
And from him...
Good night.
And from Kim next door with the sleigh bells... And from Kim next door with the sleigh bells... And from all of us here at Channel 4... Merry Christmas! Ooh, last one today? First one today?